Hey there, tech-savvy homeowners. Tired of playing detective every time the doorbell rings? Say goodbye to mystery visitors and hello to peace of mind with the best doorbell cameras on the market. From catching porch pirates red-handed to keeping an eye on your furry friends while you're away, these high-tech gadgets are a game-changer. Get ready to level up your home security and never miss a beat with these top picks. Let's dive in. If you want to see the price and find out more information about these products, you can check out the links in the description below. And make sure you like the video, subscribe our channel, and hit the bell icon for future updates. Without further ado, let's get started with the list. Starting our list with number 5, we have the WeMo Smart Video Doorbell. Are you part of the HomeKit ecosystem and looking for a reliable video doorbell option? Look no further than the new Belkin WeMo Video Doorbell. Unlike other products that may have had issues in colder temperatures, the WeMo Doorbell offers a 178-degree field of view, wider than others on the market. This allows you to see more of what's happening outside your door, whether it's people standing to the side or packages placed closer to your entrance. Equipped with a 4-megapixel camera and enhanced night vision, the WeMo Doorbell ensures clear video footage in all conditions, even in low light. Installation is a breeze. You can choose to do it yourself or have Belkin's installation partner OnTech take care of it for you. If you opt for the DIY route, just make sure you have an AC transformer that puts out 16 or 24-volt power, typically found near your chime. Once the doorbell is connected to power, simply follow the installation instructions on your iPhone. Scan a code in the Home app, answer a few questions, and within minutes, your doorbell will be connected to your Wi-Fi network and recording video to your iCloud account. Upgrade your home security with the Belkin WeMo Video Doorbell and never miss a visitor or package delivery again. With its advanced features and easy installation process, you can have peace of mind knowing your home is protected. At number 4, eufy Security Video Doorbell. Are you tired of video doorbells with limited views and blurry footage? Look no further than the eufy Dual Video Doorbell. This innovative doorbell offers two-way audio, an easy-to-press doorbell button, and exceptional night vision. What sets it apart from the rest is its high-resolution camera, versatile power options, and seamless integration with Alexa or Google Smart Home systems. Best of all, your video clips are saved both locally and to the cloud without the need for a subscription. But the benefits don't stop there. The Dual also features a porch view camera to eliminate blind spots and provide a comprehensive view of your entryway. And with 2 LED lights that illuminate when motion is detected, you'll never miss a thing. The wide color range and high-resolution imagery ensure crystal clear footage, even when zoomed in. While the eufy Dual may be on the larger side, measuring over 6 inches in length, its impressive camera size accounts for its long-lasting battery life. With just 6 hours to reach a full charge, you can enjoy weeks of use without needing to recharge. Keep in mind, its size may be a little intimidating to guess, but the peace of mind and security it provides is well worth it. Upgrade your home security with the eufy Dual Video Doorbell and see the difference for yourself. Number 3, we have the Arlo Essential Video Doorbell. Are you tired of missing package deliveries because you can't see who's at your front door? The Arlo Essential Wireless Video Doorbell could be the solution you've been looking for. With a 180-degree field of view, you'll have a wider perspective of your doorstep than ever before. This means you'll have a better chance of seeing your packages being dropped off, even if you're not home. One of the key features of this wireless doorbell is its removable battery. You won't have to completely uninstall the device just to give it a charge. Simply remove the battery and pop it into the charger. It's that easy. Plus, notifications of any movement are delivered to your phone within seconds, so you'll always be in the know. While the video quality is reliable, keep in mind that colors and details may not be as clear in dark lighting conditions. Setting up the doorbell is a breeze, thanks to the user-friendly app with step-by-step instructions. Simply scan a QR code in the Arlo app, and you'll be connected in no time. The app also offers helpful tips and guidance on how to properly mount the doorbell. Don't miss another delivery at your front door. Invest in the Arlo Essential Wireless Video Doorbell and enjoy the convenience and peace of mind it brings. At number 2, Wyze Wireless. Are you looking for an affordable and powerful smart doorbell option? Look no further than the new and improved Wyze Pro Doorbell. This doorbell offers amazing features that will enhance your home security. With a sharper 2K resolution and a wide 150-degree field of view, the Wyze Pro Doorbell captures crystal clear footage of your doorstep. You'll never miss a visitor again. The fast notification speeds ensure that you are alerted as soon as someone approaches your door. Not only does the Wyze Pro offer great performance, but the software is also user-friendly and can easily be integrated into your entire smart home setup. You can conveniently monitor and control your Wyze cameras and locks from all your devices, such as Nest Hub or Echo Show. Installation is a breeze with the Wyze Pro. It can be powered by either a battery or wired install, and all you need to do is screw the base into your doorway and mount the doorbell inside. The ultra-bright LED lighting illuminates the area when motion is detected, serving as an effective warning for anyone approaching your door. While the sharp resolution allows you to see fine details like textures, keep in mind that the lack of HDR may result in slightly dull color reproduction. However, with all its other amazing features, the Wyze Pro Doorbell is a great option for anyone looking to enhance their home security system. And finally, the number one of our list, Google Nest Doorbell. Have you been searching for a video doorbell that offers advanced features without the need for a subscription? Look no further than Google's Nest Video Doorbell. With package detection, cloud storage, and subject identification alerts, this doorbell goes above and beyond to keep you informed about what's happening at your front door. One of the standout features of the Nest Video Doorbell is its seamless integration with the Google Home app. You have complete control of the doorbell right at your fingertips, making it easy to customize settings and receive alerts on your phone or Nest Hub. While some may be concerned about the narrow field of view of the doorbell, rest assured that the wide vertical captures compensate for this limitation. Whether you're short, tall, or have packages left by the door, you'll quickly see everything on your device, giving you peace of mind that you're always in the know about what's happening outside your home. Say goodbye to intrusive subscriptions and hello to a smart and reliable video doorbell that meets all your needs. Choose Google's Nest Video Doorbell for a convenient and advanced home security solution that seamlessly integrates into your daily routine. Experience the convenience and peace of mind that comes with knowing who's at your door, whether you're at home or away. As always, you will find all the links of these products in the description below. Comment below and tell us which doorbell camera you are considering. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, then like and share this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more amazing videos like this.